What's going on YouTube? My name's Andy from Little RV Big Life, and today I want to talk to you about a loss of something very near and dear to myself. Alright, being dramatic. So I actually have somebody flying in to check out my 2001 Corvette. If you don't know anything about this, this is a 700 plus horsepower car, made 737 horsepower, 655 torque on the dyno. It is a supercharged 383 that I built the entire project. Nicole and I actually had our first date ever in this car. We went to Gunder and got a burger at a burger joint with a bunch of other Corvette owners. Now I didn't actually know these people, and when I met her, I said, hey, do you want to go on a cruise with me with a bunch of other people that I don't even know? And she said yes, as long as you're there too. So I really hate to see this thing go, but it's the next step in our life of downsizing, minimalizing, and living full-time in our camper. This car has about 93,000 miles on it and less than 6,000 miles on its build. The engine was built by Skog & Dickey Parts Company. Everything looks pretty much stock except for the shiny little piece over there. That is a supercharger that makes all that power, producing 13 pounds of boost into this engine. And to keep everything safe, we have an Alky Control methanol injection system. There is a secondary fuel system right here that when the car gets over 3 pounds of boost, it kicks in a second fuel pump to get extra fuel to the engine to make all that power. There are 1 7/8" excess power headers, 3-inch X pipe, and B&B bullet mufflers on this. I've spent all kinds of time, hours, and money on this car, and I just love the thing. Here's a clip of it running with Grandma in the passenger seat. But like I said, we are trying to downsize, and this is one of the things that we need to sell. So if you're interested and it hasn't sold today, please send me a message and I can get back to you on if it has sold or not. Anyways, I know it's a short video, but just wanted to give you another check-in. For now, my name is Andy, and I will see you in the next video.